You can earn $700 to $12,000 per month from affiliate marketing with YouTube channel. In this video guys, I'm going to show you affiliate marketing with YouTube channel. Just if you have a channel like this guys, you can make an amazing money, which I've showed you here, right? I'm going to show you guys how you can have the YouTube channel like this and how you can do affiliate marketing with this. It's just very easy guys, and one of the best part is this is beginner friendly as well as it's a free traffic. So if you're looking to make the money like this guys, this is the video you have to watch till the end. And if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel to convert your affiliate offer. Watch few of my videos and subscribe my channel and smash the like button, because you're going to learn something amazing which is a beginner friendly with free traffic with minimum investment. With that said, let's dive in. I just want you to focus only in the four things. The number one, look at the subscriber they have guys, almost 3 million subscribers for this channel. Number two, look at this video which is uploaded in 14 hours back and got 8,000 views. This is amazing. Do you know how much you have to pay in Facebook ad and Google ads to get 8,000 views in your video? It's minimum guys $100, okay? And here you can see this 5,000 views, 14,000 views, 6,000 views, 91,000 views, 20,000 views. All these views are free traffic for any beginners to do affiliate marketing. Number three things, that is, look at the size of the video. That is 3-minute video, 2-minute video, 3-minute video, 4-minute video. That's it. Maximum is 4-minute videos guys they are creating, which is very easy for any beginners to create the videos if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing. And the number four thing, let me open one of this video, okay? Reduce belly fat with this 3-ingredient smoothie, okay, which they have created and which they got like 14,000 views, just amazing, and 1,700 likes on this, okay, and writing a good description. And let me run this video, okay? I don't know whether you can hear the voice or not, and because of my new setup, that's why, okay, I have not set up the new mic here. And this is an automated voice guys, and the slides running and just with the the words which is running in the screen, okay? And for doing this guys, they are making $700 to $12,000 guys a monthly earning. And look at their estimation of yearly, it is $10,000 guys. That is an amazing, because I already have a channel like this guys. I can bet you they are making somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000, because I'm using this software called Social Blade. It will only going to show you the estimation, okay? And this is very easy. Let me show you one of my channel. This is called Fat Loss Ball. I was using this channel to drive traffic to my affiliate links, okay? Look at this, 1,000 views, almost 900 views, 700 views, 500 views. And if you remember, this is a product in ClickBank, the Red Tea Detox, okay? I did the simple review. I created a video and I made right $200 to $300 with this simple video. I'm not using this channel guys. I have many YouTube channels, okay? And look at the video which I created, okay? Again, the same thing. Okay, here just running the slide and I got like 500 view, okay, 500 free traffic here to convert your affiliate offer. And if you can see this is the ClickBank link which I've given here, okay? So now I know that the challenges guys, the challenges is how you're going to create a video, okay? How you're going to create a video so that you can make the money. So do watch this video till the end guys. I'm going to show you right how to create this video very easy. Okay, and smash that like button guys right away, right now. To create your YouTube videos, use this tool called InVideo. InVideo is an amazing tool which will allow you to create your intro and outros, brand promos, as well as long form ads for your YouTube ads or Facebook ad, product video ads, video presentation. And you can use this template. These templates are very easy. You can edit these templates and you can convert into a YouTube videos. And the link of this software is given in the description guys. You can check the description. Also, they will allow you to edit your YouTube videos, online video editor, Facebook video ads, as well as Facebook ad templates, make a poster, make a promo video. All these things guys you can do with this one tool guys called InVideo. And also they have this feature called you can convert your YouTube videos to MP3 or MP4 also. And one of the best part guys, they allow you a variety of videos to make for different social media platforms. You can use all this platform, and this software is completely free guys. The link is given in the description, okay? If you see the pricing, Okay, they put their watermarks in every video. So if you want to remove those watermarks, guys, monthly they are charging $10, which is relatively cheap to create your YouTube video. $10 investment in a month, guys, is you can also have a 50% off here, or if you're gonna bill for monthly, it is like $20. And if you compare with Content Samurai, this is what I use, guys, and which is gonna be like $47. Okay, and this is just $20 to start your YouTube channel. And here you can see you're gonna get 3,000 plus handcrafted templates, okay, which I'm gonna show you how to edit this one. And one of the best part, guys, which you really like, is they have almost 1 million premium photos and videos. Okay, 300 per month in this plan. Okay, so you don't need to run back of copyright free videos and photos. Okay, you're going to get all this copyright free here, as well as make videos in any language, as well as, guys, HD video export per month 60. So you can download 60 videos and you don't need 60, guys. Look at this channel, they are just uploading one video in a day. So you just need to upload only one video. That means per month you're going to download only 30. 3 million standard library of photo, guys. Look at this. Pixel, Pixabay, right, Unsplash are the biggest library of medias, right, images and video. You're going to get all access here. Okay, and video duration 15 minutes. You don't need a 15-minute video also, guys. Here you can see they are creating only for 3 minutes and 4 minute max. Okay, so this is an amazing software, guys. So the link is given in the description, you can check there, and the sign up is free. You can sign up with your Facebook or Google. So once if you make your free account, guys, here you can see you have a pre-made templates. That means you can edit all these templates whatever you want, right, as well as you have article to video. I'm going to show you, right, how to use article to video. And you also have a blank template, right? You can select according to the dimension which you want. So if we select this one, article to video, and here we're going to select your YouTube landscape, and here you can see all these are amazing template they are offering. So for meanwhile, we're going to select one of this, right? For example, this bright, and here you can see it's a wide one, so use this template. And now here you have to put the headline and your story. So here I am in the marketplace of ClickBank, and here you can see one of the product called Custom Keto Diet, right? If you want to create a video on that, you can open their affiliate page, and here in the affiliate page, guys, you will get the article. Okay, you can see this is the article. You can convert this article into a video. Also, if you want to create more videos, you can get down here in the Google and type like keto diet foods, and here you can see you'll get all this, right, which you can convert here, right, as a video. I will not recommend you to copy from here because they really worked hard to rank here, okay, in the Google search engine result page. So just you can get some idea here. Okay, so what are the foods, right, you want to create? For example, guys, I have some copy here. For example, foods to eat on ketogenic diet. So you can use this. I'm just showing you an example here, guys, how you can create. For example, you wrote like this, and you can also use this when foods to eat on ketogenic diet. Okay, so you can copy here and you can put the headline and you can say next. Now look at this, guys. InVideo has created our video automatically. This tool has bought all the images and video, and they, according to the words, they put the video, they created this video. And also they have a huge library, as I showed you, videos and images. If you can type any kinds of images which you need, like keto here, and you're going to get that kinds of image. Okay, keto, and you're going to get, like, look at this videos. Okay, so many videos you're going to get, right? You're going to get a lot of different images, and you can replace this image if you don't want, right? You can delete this one and you can just put this one here. Okay, this is how you can edit. You can edit from here also, and you can duplicate, you can edit this one, all these images. Okay, according to, if you don't want, you can add also different scenes over here. Okay, so many different videos and images you're going to get here. Also, guys, you can add your own music. Look at this music. You can add this music, right? If you want, you just select this one, and this music is going to apply in this video. Okay, so this is an amazing tools to create. As well as if you want to edit your script, again, you can click here and you can edit this script. And also you can upload your own videos and images. And if you want to edit more, here you can go advanced editor. If you click here, look at this. Now you can edit all of this thing very easy. Okay, here you can have, you have a music, you have a text, guys. If you want to put some different kinds of text, just click here and the text will be added here. Like, look at this. Okay, as well as you have a sticker, and any stickers you need, any effects you want to give, right, shapes you want to give, all these things. And also you can upload your own image and all. And one of the best part, guys, you can also add your own voice here. Look at this, add voice, and here automated voice or record or upload from your computer. If you select your automated voice here guys, here you can see different languages you're going to get, right? US English, Indian English, British English, and like so many different language, right? Turkish, Russian. You can select any of those, okay? And you can also select the voice here, like male voice or female voice, and you can hear that, okay? So if it is fit for your video, you can use this one. It's just very easy, and you can add all those things. So this is an amazing tool guys. I'm not getting into how to edit this one. This is very easy to create automatically your videos, and you can easily upload from here, export, right? Two option you have. So if you are want to remove the watermarks of InVideo, you have to buy for $10 a month. It's an amazing, right, investment for your business, okay? And the link is given in the description guys, and I'm also going to leave a link of tutorial of this video so that you can watch that video and you can take the decision, right? And you can create a video, and you can create a video channel, right? YouTube channel like this, okay, which is an easy to create with InVideo, and you can also have an income like this guys. Anybody can do this guys with InVideo. Hope you like this strategy guys. Hope you like this method. Smash that like button right away right now, and get this InVideo and start your YouTube channel, and do subscribe my channel. And also if you're looking some other free method, watch these two videos, because this will help you to see another free traffic methods.